Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay American Express credit card bill. So let's get started. So here we are in our browser, and from here, in order for us to pay our credit card bill, is that you want to go into google.com, and from here type in pay American Express bill, and then once you type for this one or search for this one, then you can click now on pay your American Express bill right here. So make sure that it is from americanexpress.com. So you want to click on this website right here, and you will now be redirected into this website. So from here, you want to read the disclaimer carefully and make sure that you understand this. And once you have done that, then you can now click here on I agree. And now you will be taken into this website right here. So all you have to do is provide your credit card details. So you want to provide it right here, and then after that is you want to go and confirm the payment, and you want to go and receive the online confirmation. So basically all you have to do is just provide your information right here, your American Express card, your re-entered express card number, the mobile number, email, and then the payment amount right here. So all you have to do is provide those details, and make sure that you have known that the amount would be credited to your American Express card in the next 1 to 2 working days. So that is basically it on how you can pay American Express credit card bill. Thank you for watching.